Hey guys, we just got some super cool Mercedes supercars in. Let's go take a look. Firstly, we got this 61 Mercedes 300 SL Roadster. I know PK talked about it in the last video, but this car is completely restored. Used to be owned by a Pebble Beach concourse judge for 35 years. Has this numbers matching engine, transmission, rear end, full factory colors, factory black with red, and comes with the optional Becker radio. The 300 SL Roadster is one of those cars you can't go wrong with. Next to that, we got a 2008 Mercedes CLK Black Series. These cars were inspired by DTM and are completely custom. They have wider bodywork, different wheels and tires, brakes, suspension. With only 349 units for North America, these cars are extremely rare. I think they're so undervalued. This 2021 Mercedes AMG GT Black Series P1 edition, they only built 275 for the world, and only 25 of these came to North America. This example has only 25 miles on it from new. The AMG GT P1 edition features this special livery motif of all the Mercedes-Benz stars that has colors inspired by the Petronas F1 team, including this pinstripe on the wheel. This 2007 Mercedes SLR 722 edition was inspired by the 1955 Mille Miglia by Sterling Moss. It features 300 different components from a normal SLR, one of only 150 units ever built, 25 for North America. This example has only 3,000 miles on it from new and presents just like it left the factory. With over 300 different parts than a normal SLR, these cars have a completely unique driving experience. Having all these different generations Mercedes supercars in one place is very special. Please feel free to call us if you have any questions.